Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I've got an update on the ongoing death of the web at the hands of Google and AI. Let's jump into it. All right, so to set this up a little bit, let's remember the bargain that Google and its search business made with the web years and years ago. The deal was pretty straightforward. Sites allow Google to crawl and index their content, and in return, Google sends you traffic through the search results page. It's been a fantastic bargain for Google and many publishers for many, many years. Well, AI has come into the picture now and is shaking all that up in a very big way by reducing or even eliminating the click-through from the results page. Now, AI just gives you exactly what you're looking for without the need to click on a link to a site. And now that AI mode from Google has landed, we have some new details that describe the carnage from the change that many are calling zero click. Here I have an article from the Register that's collected some stats on just how much this pivot to AI is impacting website traffic. According to an analytics business, click-throughs to websites have dropped 30%. And another writer observed a survey that when users were not presented with AI-generated results, they were 28 to 38% more likely to click on a link. And this is the big problem for many companies. They've grown completely dependent on Google for a big percentage of their traffic, and traffic is revenue for most of these companies. And the last stat I'll mention from this article comes from the Cloudflare CEO. He said that the ratio of pages crawled to visitors referred was 2-to-1, and now that ratio has moved to 18-to-1, meaning a lot fewer visitors per page crawled on average. So given this situation, I don't think the current environment can survive. I expect some significant changes coming in the next 12 to 18 months. Here are some of the things that I think could happen. One, many of these web publishers that have relied on traffic from Google will try new business models like paywalls and subscriptions, but many will die along the way as most of these experiments probably won't be able to replace the lost revenue. They would have done these things already if they were confident in them. Two, I think we're going to see even more publisher lobbying against AI in Congress. There will probably be more hearings, and I expect more and more lawsuits to be filed against AI companies. Three, the SEO market as we know it is going to die, but it'll pivot and be replaced by marketing through AI. Firms will study the big AI players and work to generate content tailored to get displayed and clicked on, often in AI results. This could end up reducing the quality of AI results, so the cat and mouse game between content creators and AI platforms will start spinning up. Fourth, I think some publishers will start putting more content onto social media. They're going to be so hungry for traffic that they will take this step, something they've been avoiding for a long time, but they're going to feel forced to do it in order to survive. And lastly, the most interesting question in all of this to me is, will Google survive the pivot away from search and towards AI? Half of Alphabet's revenue comes from search. Can Google replace search revenue with AI revenue fast enough? Only time will tell, but certainly Google has way more competition in AI than they've had in search for a long time. So I don't think you can assume that Google will come out of this unscathed. But that's all I have on this for now. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.